Tune in here. I'm going to show you what I just brought home from Costco. So many people want to know, what do you eat? What should I eat? What do you buy when you go food shopping? What do you get? How do you know what to choose? How do you know how to coordinate meals and all that? Well, a lot of those answers are revealed in my materials and videos and teachings and coaching and the freebies we give away. But right now, I get to show you in real time what I just brought home from Costco. Because there's lessons to be learned here. So I see we've got at least 9 people tuning in here. So what we'll do is, Carrie Wakeman is tuning in. Howdy, Carrie. We're gonna get right into it because I don't want my frozen items to defrost, okay? So we're gonna make quick work of this. I spent $250 maybe on all of this. And as of now, it's just me here and my daughter. So essentially 2 people. Sometimes my older kids will visit. I'll make stuff for them, but essentially 2 people. 1 parent, 1 teen, and this is a partial shop. Like, this is just getting some frequently used staples and a couple of other extras that I'll show you, okay? So here we go. And if there's any questions as we're going through this, just post below and let me know. Sharon's hubby just got back from Costco. He got some beautiful goodness for me. You mean goodies, right? Good goodies for you guys. The fitness nurse, Laura Lilly, is tuning in. It's good to see you, fitness nurse Laura Lilly. I got your check-in. I saw you did a complete monster lower body session. Well done, well done. You're earning points there. You're earning points. All right, here we go. Because I also got to break my fast. Look, it's 12:08, and I still haven't eaten yet. I had my morning tea, had a busy morning here. So I'm ready to break my fast. I'll be doing lower body later myself. This is a lower body day for me as well. All right, here we go. We've got, rotate your phone. All right, so it needs me to rotate the phone. Organic, low sodium vegetable broth. All right, 8 reclosable cartons. No sugar added, gluten-free, no artificial colors or flavors. Those of you who are already in the groove with us and in my world, you know we make good use of the broths, okay? So, I'm plant-based, but I still have some animal proteins here and there, mainly various types of fish and some chicken broth. I'm not a big chicken eater sometimes, but chicken broth, organic chicken broth, oh yeah, we could certainly do that. We make good use of this. Comes in handy as a low-calorie, tummy-filling, taste bud satisfying snack in the afternoon when you don't want to overdo it. You don't want to put too many calories in the body, especially spring and summertime when we're looking to get lean and mean and leave no chances in between, right? This is how we do it. You're seeing the foods that are part of the strategies that we do and we teach, and that all of our clients do, and everybody in Total Access does. These are the things we learn, we teach, we do, we repeat, and we keep getting the results because we make this a lifestyle. This is how I shop all the time. This is how we guide our clients and Total Access members to shop all the time if they're ready to take that step. It's not rocket science, it's not dieting, it's not extreme, it's not crazy, it's none of that stuff. Here we go. I got my organic unsweetened almond milk. That comes in very handy. In the garage, in a bigger case, I've got my organic soy milk cartons. I didn't bring that in here, but that's in the garage. All right, here we go. We're gonna go through these items, and then I gotta get my frozen things put away. I got some extra coffee to hold me over for when my other Life Boost coffee, my low acid coffee, is out. This will hold me over between deliveries of the Life Boost low acid coffee. Organic broccoli. Pure organic layered fruit bars. My daughter loves these. I put a few of these in her lunch every day, so we get a few boxes of those. Organic coconut oil. I get 2 of those because I eat coconut oil daily. Most of you already know I cook with it. I'll make some special ice cream shakes with it. I'll do various things with it. Organic apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of that every day. Organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. Organic green beans. My daughter loves these. She eats them right out of the bag. I love that when kids eat like that. They eat healthy. It's so good. Organic hemp hearts. Again, very conducive to a plant-based lifestyle. But I did say I am pescatarian. Ooh, am I talking too loud? Fitness nurse Lauren Lilly, tell me if my decibels are too loud. Pescatarian, right here. Sardines, skinless and boneless, 100% olive oil. I get a variety of these. This happens to be the one that I'm getting today, that I got today. Wild caught, sustainable, super clean, low mercury. We get our EPAs, we get our DHAs from this. We need this for body health, brain health, longevity, anti-aging, disease prevention, all the good things. I got 2 packs of that. My daughter, she eats a lot of pasta, so I get her organic pasta. This is like 6 pounds over here. Organic pasta from Italy. She's a big pasta eater, so I make sure it's super clean and no pesticides, no chemicals. Organic is the way. If you want to stave off more disease, go organic as much as you possibly can. All right, the one thing I think that's not organic is this Parmesan cheese. I don't eat this. My daughter loves this on her pasta. I'm trying to find her an organic, super clean alternative, but she is tough with this stuff. Eventually she'll change because she's gonna taste the plastics in there. For dessert, I got some vanilla almond butter, Purely Elizabeth, organic grain-free granola. That's my dessert after dinner, or sometimes that's my carbs for dinner. My daughter loves organic baby Bella mushrooms. I make a wicked mushroom saute. She loves when I do that with a little bit of black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and what else? What else do I put in there? That's it. She likes it basic. Cooked in olive oil, maybe a little bit of butter sometimes, but she loves that. And I love when she eats her veggies, so I will cook them how she loves them. Big 3 bunch bag of organic cilantro. I will be cooking this up big time tonight. There's a couple of new recipes going into Total Access. Any of you who don't have Total Access, you're missing out big time. I've got new delicious organic recipes for your spring and summer bodies. If you want to be a hottie, if you want to be healthy, organic cilantro is going in tonight. Big recipes. Speaking of big recipes, this is like 4 pounds of organic baby carrots. You know we're going to be roasting some of those tonight, and you know some of that cilantro is going in them. Fitness nurse Lauren Lilly, am I talking too loud? I got tell me if my decibels are too high, because you. It was loud because you were at work. I thought it was just me. I thought it was just me being loud. I thought it was just me. All right, organic strawberries. We got a couple of pounds of these. My daughter loves those. They're in season now, so they're like giving them away, and they're organic. Ooh, one of my favorites, organic baby grape tomatoes. Ooh, those come in handy. Snack time in the middle of the day. Couple of those with the organic broth on the side. You want to get lean, you want to get mean, you want to get fit, you want to get strong, you want to prevent disease. This is how you eat, my friends. This is how you eat. What else do we have here? Ooh, organic butter. Got to have some organic butter. Got to cook with the organic butter. I use it a little bit every day. Sometimes I'll have it on a rice cake if I want, that for my carbohydrates at dinner. If I know I'm doing a big lower body session and a big bike ride the next day. Last item are organic, premium organic, I said organic, wild blueberries. Wild blueberries. These come in handy in a variety of ways. And that's it. That's the delicious food trip from today. Not everything, but some serious staple items that will hold me over for a while, hold my daughter over for a little while. And that's it. That's how your trainer for life, Joey Atlas, does his food shop. And this is the way it's going to continue. It's getting easier and easier. as society progresses, making all these awesome organic foods available to us, all we got to do is drive to the store and buy them in bulk at prices that are like, you can't argue with the prices anymore. It's becoming affordable for everybody and everybody. From the inside out. Remember, we're not just doing this to look good and to be sexy and attractive. That's a nice bonus that we earn over time. But we eat this way to take care of ourselves from the inside. Disease prevention, strength, anti-aging. Want to have good skin. Want to have good eyes that see all the vitals from the inside out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. See, we got a lot of people saying all kinds of good stuff. I'm going to catch up with everybody later. I promise I will come and comment on this later. If you like this or if you love it, tell me below. Let me know. Say, do this again. When you go food shopping, do this again. I want to see more of how you food shop. Some of you already know because you're on my programs, you're in coaching with me, I'm guiding you. You're getting it firsthand. But if you want more of these, if you like them for whatever reason, post below, let me know. This guy's got to go. It's time for the coffee show. And I'm going to do lower body later. I gotta get busy on the lower body. I got a lot of work to do, though. Then I got to go pick up my daughter from work later. So we still have a busy day. Fitness nurse Lauren Lilly says she loves it. Thank you. Thank you for being here. As always, She Sings says yes. What are we saying yes to? You want me to do it again? You want me to do more of these? All right, everybody have a beautiful Saturday. Safe, sweet, blessed, strong. Stay on track, stay on course. Because if I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm a regular person just like you. Have a busy life just like you. I struggle with the same mental, emotional challenges at times that want to take me off course and take me off the path. But no, we're human. We can defeat all that stuff one day at a time. We make the choices, we take the actions. We make the choices, we take the actions. That's it. If you need help, if you're new here and you need help, post below, #need help, and we will help you. We'll help you. We'll see that you post that you need help, and we'll get you help today. By the end of the day, we'll see this, and we will help you. All right? Peace, love, and light. Keep letting your light shine bright. Keep fighting that good fight. And have a beautiful, awesome, blessed day and rest of your night tonight. Love you.